Hi everyone. Today I am going to talk about two Power BI reports. One is asset evaluation report and the other one is budget forecast report. Let's talk about asset evaluation report first. This report shows the asset evaluation of a particular city. I will show you the data set. So this is the data set having asset name, asset class, asset value, physical condition, age of assets, infrastructure group, utilization percentage, region, year, and month. Going to the Power BI report, the first is the headline, then detail, then decomposition. So I have divided the Power BI report into three sections: headline, detail, and decomposition. For this report, I have used just one table, which we can see in the table view, and so there are no extra mappings related for this. Then we go to the report view. So we have these filters. The first is headline, where we have these filters: month, asset class. Then we have infrastructure gap by year, average value of assets, count of assets, average of asset value, then physical condition and physical condition by year and asset class. So if we select the filter, then it will show for that particular time. If you see like the asset class, it will show for that particular asset type what are the count of assets, asset value, infrastructure gap, and a physical condition, everything. Then we have the detailed section where I have included a forecasting chart as well. So till 2021, the data is there, and 2024, 2026 is being forecasted. Um, this report mainly divides the asset details into region and time. Like it shows the asset details with respect to region and time. As you can see, asset value by region, year by physical condition. If you select one of the filters, it will show respectively. For example, if I select for East, then it will show everything for East like that. Then finally, we have the decomposition. The decomposition, it is divided into the average asset value is divided into asset class, then region, then physical condition. So for this, it shows asset value, average of asset value, then how much is allocated to the buildings, then how much is allocated the buildings which are in the east, and finally, physical condition. So in this way, we can see the decomposition chart. Now let's go to the budget forecast report. So this is the we forecast report. I have created this dashboard which shows the actual budget and forecast and their respective comparisons. The data I will be working on is the actual budget and forecast data of a particular IT department of an organization. And I have the data set as well, which I can show you. So I have the actual budget and forecast tables over here. I have also, these are the fact tables. I have also the dimension tables. The dimension tables are the cost element, then country, and then finally the department. So in the table view, we can as usual see the table. In the model view, we can see how how the fact tables are connected to the dimension tables. We have created mappings and everything with respect to this, like IT department, IT area, department manager. If I create on the mapping, then this is IT department is connected to this IT department. Then forecast also, they are also connected. So I have created the mappings between the fact and dimension tables over here. Then finally, the report view. So this report view is also divided into headline, regions, and decomposition. In the headline, as we can see, we have the country filter. We can see for which country is there. It has actual YTD versus budget, then forecast by budget, then the forecast budget by date, then budget we forecast, running total. I have also used running total over here, like the quick measures, right? Running total, then actual budget and forecast, then actual for budget we forecast. Budget we forecast is nothing but budget minus forecast. So if actual and forecasting is greater than budget, then the situation is adverse. If actual and forecasting is less than budget, then the situation is favorable. So this shows with respect to region, budget we forecast with respect to cost element, and budget we forecast with respect to IT area. Then we have the regions where we can actually identify the budget and forecast with respect to the regions. Like if I click on any region, it will show for that region. For example, I clicked on US and it shows for US. Then we have the matrix as well, which shows red whenever there is a minus sign. This is also budget we forecast, budget minus forecast. When it is when the forecast is greater, it goes to minus and it shows red. But when it is plus, it is green. Then we have the final decomposition where budget we forecast is divided into cost element group, then country and IT department. So this is the overall view of the two Power BI reports which I created. I created this specifically to show you my understanding on Power BI. Thank you so much for listening.